Alright, hi you guys. So I'm going to be reading a book for you, so when you finish some of your work and you're working on Excel, or if you're done with everything, then you can click on this story and just read along with me. The story is called The Number Devil, a Mathematical Adventure, and it's written by Hans Magnus Enzensberger. So it starts off and it says the first night. Robert was tired of dreaming. I always came out looking dumb, he said to himself. For example, he would dream of being swallowed by a big ugly fish, and even after it was over, he could smell the fish's awful stench, or he'd be sliding down an endless slide, faster and faster, and no matter how many times he cried out, "Stop!" or "Help!" on he went, until finally he woke up drenched in sweat. His dreams also played tricks on him whenever he wanted something really bad. Once he had his heart set on a racing bike with 28 gears, and he dreamed that bike was waiting for him in the basement. It was an unbelievably detailed dream. The bike had a purple metallic finish and was parked next to the wine cabinet. He even knew the sequence of the combination lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He couldn't forget that now, could he? Well, in the middle of the night, still woozy with sleep, he staggered down to the basement in his pajamas, and what did he find next to the wine cabinet? A dead mouse. That was a low blow. Eventually, Robert came up with a way of dealing with the tricks his dreams played on him. The minute one started, he would think without waking up, "It's just another one of those yucky fish. I know just what's going to happen. It's going to gobble me up, but I also know it's only a dream, because only in dreams can a fish swallow a person." Or he'd think, "Here I go sliding again, but there's nothing I can do about it. I can't stop, and I'm not really sliding anyway." And when the fantastic racing bike came back to haunt him, or a computer game he couldn't live without, there it was, right next to the telephone. He knew it was just a hoax. He didn't even look at the bike. He turned away, but no matter what he did, the dreams kept coming back, and that troubled him. And there's a picture.